Right, hello, welcome to the Adam Val YouTube project. This is going to be a keyboard review. Now, we've got this keyboard here from Langchu, I believe they're called, Langchu, and it's a mechanical K003 mechanical touch keyboard. And it's got a little knob there that you can change the volume and stuff. I'm going to show you the keyboard, I'm going to show you some details of the keyboard, the lighting array, and some keys that are kind of a little bit in the wrong position, but I will be showing you that. Well, there's one key that's in the wrong position, but I'll be showing you that when we go to have a look at a close-up look at this keyboard. I want to thank the company Langchu for sending this keyboard out for me to test. And it literally was as funny as Val see a picture of my keyboard. I'll show you it in a second. I'll show you it now. Val see a picture of my keyboard in a video we was editing. That video's not come out yet. But was editing this video and he see a picture of my keyboard in the film, and he said, "What's them yellow keys?" Here's my old keyboard. It's a mechanical keyboard. It's a really well built keyboard, but Val wanted to know what the yellow keys were for. And the yellow keys are not really for anything. The yellow keys are, this keyboard keys have been made up of two sets of keyboard, because it started to let me down. It basically started to let me down. Some of the keys weren't working, the mechanical switches weren't working. So I think it was the keys that I used the most: spacebar, enter, delete, up, down, some buttons around there, whatever that is, escape, them two for some reason, copy and paste probably, them two are. Yeah, they are. The keys I was using the most started to break down, so I thought I'd just change some keys. So I changed some keys and I had this bit of a misshaped, mismatched keyboard right there, but it's a really decent keyboard. Nice mechanical buttons, but other keys and that have started to let me down now as well, so it basically needed renewing. The day after Val seen my picture of this keyboard and was laughing at the yellow keys, Langchu contacted me. They didn't see the video. It's just one of them things. You know, sometimes one of them things you think, oh, I need flour, and you look at your phone and you get an advert for flour. It's sometimes, you know, one of them sort of things. So Langchu, thank you very much, Langchu, reached out to me with an email and says, look, we've got these new keyboards. Do you want to review one? And I used to do a lot of reviews on Amazon. I've wind that in a bit now, but I used to do a lot of reviews on Amazon. So they said, look, we'll send you this from our Amazon store. I will put a link to this below because it is an absolutely fantastic keyboard. I will put a link below. In the UK, it's £39.99, so it's a £40 keyboard. So you do, for that sort of price, expect a little bit of quality, and it does ooze quality. Just one key I'll show you. It took me a while to find the key that I was looking for, but I'll show that in a close-up. So it is the Langchu keyboard, and inside, basically inside that box, you're going to get a little instruction manual and a little one of these key removers. So you can remove the keys and make it yellow and black if you want, just like that. And there is some good features on this. We've got this knob that I really like, this knob, because you can use it to adjust your volume or to change the lighting. There's some good features there. If you want some more information on this, or you want to purchase this keyboard yourself, the link will be down below. So let's go and have a look at this Langchu Mechanical Touch K003 keyboard, and you lot take care. We'll see you on the next video after you've seen this keyboard, obviously. Keyboard. Going over a few features, there is a range of different colour patterns, and you use this knob here, and this you can either turn the brightness down if you wind it all the way down, or turn the brightness up, and also if you press it you can go for all these different sort of patterns. So I only had one slight issue with this keyboard, and it's this key here. The hashtag key is the one that's missing. I know it's on the number 3 there, but I can't seem to get the hashtag to work on that. The hashtag is actually this key. Whatever that symbol or picture is, that's the hashtag key there. So function wise, that's the only issue I have. I couldn't get the hashtag to work on the number 3 that's over there, but that is straight hashtag. Also with the wheel, we'll get some looks at this wheel. This wheel functions as a light control, as well as if you hold it in, the light on the wheel goes off, and now that's a volume control for the computer. Really like the wheel on that. That's really good, feels well made. When the light's on it, it changes your lights. So let's see how these keys are. On the cable side, that is a braided USB cable, and on the underneath we do have some legs, and this part here is metal. This is the speed I type, just normal typing speed. This is book written. It's not really. This is how I type. And it's funny sometimes as well is stuff like you say your toaster breaks. Say your toaster just breaks or it's playing up. You go on, I don't know, like Instagram, Twitter, maybe Facebook. I don't know Facebook, but maybe Facebook, and maybe, I don't know, YouTube as well. You start getting adverts for toasters, and you think, well, I've only just said to myself that the toaster's broke. Why am I getting adverts? Maybe a lot of it comes down with a lot of devices are listening. You've got products like this. You've got your Google Hub thing. You've got your Alexa things. You've probably got Apple things and all sorts of different things that are listening to us. Ring doorbells, are they listening to everything we say? It's all conspiracy phased, but it's funny how it sometimes you all you do is you say it to yourself, oh, we need a new toaster, remind me we need a new toaster. 10 minutes later on your phone and you get an advert for a new toaster.